Here we have a spreadsheet of fake data, and it goes down further than fits on the screen, and it goes right to left further than fits on the screen. And if you're using this to, say, take attendance in an after-school program or something, or recording grades, you need to be able to see the students' names, and you need to be able to see the headings. So we clicked in that cell. You go to the View menu and choose Freeze Panes. That top choice there is going to freeze the top row and the left column. This is on the View menu. And now when you scroll, the headings stay there. When you scroll right to left, the names stay there. Very handy feature. And then say you want to print this. So I've selected the print area already, and you go up to the page layout. See, that's where I selected the print area. You just select it and then choose Set Print Area. And then go to Print Titles. And see how there's a choice there, rows to repeat at the top. If you click in there and then click on the 1 out to the side, it will write 1, 1 in there for you. And then the columns, I want both A and B. And then click OK. And then when you print it, this is the print preview, you'll see it keeps the student names there and it keeps the headers. You don't have to figure out where they need to be and paste them. It automatically puts them there for you. And let's put some grid marks on, because when I previewed, I didn't like how it looked with no grids. And then here, see, you get the choice of, do you want to go down and then start the next column, or do you want to go over? And I think in this case, it's better to go over and then down. So we start with student 1 through student 35, and it finishes all of their pages before it goes to student 36 and the rest of them. And there you have it. Extremely easy and very handy feature.